AR-WorldNews headline: Security breach at Jenifer Aniston's home raises concerns. Good day. Tensions were high in Los Angeles today after an unsettling incident at the home of beloved actress Jenifer Aniston. A man crashed his vehicle through the gates of her Bel Air estate while the star was reportedly home. Authorities say this was not an accident. The shocking event unfolded Monday afternoon when a vehicle barreled through the security gates of Aniston's private residence. According to police sources who spoke with ABC News, the suspect was immediately detained by private security on the property. The individual is now in the custody of the Los Angeles Police Department and is expected to be booked for felony vandalism, due to the extensive damage to the entrance. While the motive remains unclear, early findings suggest the act may have been intentional. However, investigators have not yet found any evidence that the man was specifically targeting Aniston. At the time of the breach, the Friends star was inside the home. Fortunately, she was unharmed. Aniston's team has declined to issue a public comment. Sources close to the case say the LAPD's Threat Management Unit has taken over the investigation, a unit that has handled prior security concerns involving the actress. This move, officials say, is being made out of an abundance of caution, as detectives work to determine whether the incident was an isolated act or part of a larger pattern. The suspect reportedly has a minor criminal record and was not under any current investigation related to Aniston before this incident occurred. Authorities are now combing through his background and social media activity, hoping to uncover what might have led to the sudden and dangerous intrusion. This incident serves as a stark reminder of the importance of security for high-profile individuals. Law enforcement officials emphasize that celebrities, particularly those in the public eye for decades like Aniston, remain vulnerable to unexpected breaches and should invest in high-level, on-site protection. No additional arrests have been made at this time, and police say the investigation is ongoing. For now, the suspect remains in custody and will face formal charges within the next 24 hours. We'll continue to monitor this developing story and bring you updates as they become available. For now, Jenifer Aniston is safe, and security in Bel Air is once again front and center in Hollywood's ongoing conversation about privacy and protection. This is AR-WorldNews.com, giving you entertainment news update. Until our next episode, thank you for watching and supporting our channel. Take care, and be safe.